back to Lion Mac TV, Mac here with another exciting, delighting and much interesting video. So yesterday was the birthday party of Bobrisky. Bobrisky turned 30 yesterday. Anyway, that's not the major point of this video. The major point here is there are some top big billionaires in Lagos who attend that birthday yesterday, and it rained heavily in money at the birthday, and that's what I'll be sharing with you here. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, drop a comment in the comment section. Obi Cubana is in London, and he visited London with his Lolo, Mrs. Obina Igbo, and as well in the video, Cubana Chief Priest displayed some beautiful moments where he was seen singing Okpato Zora inside the plane on his way back from Dubai. All of that is what we'll be doing here. Before we
Okpato Zora na lapa Chisabe na weyebwa Akamari siagere kere terebwa Anke maswa Ibe buruji bugora Ndide buji Jesus Happy Buddha Kcee Indian Sinata.
The cross-dresser who is always fond of celebrating her gingertic birthday each year. This year she actually said she was going to celebrate her birthday in Paris. Little did we know that the Paris she was talking about was going to be the kind of cake they would design for her birthday party, because the cake was actually looking like designed this tall buildings and all of that, and it was looking like everything, you know. Anyway, the birthday had the likes of ex-BB Nigeria housemates, a whole lot of celebrities were there, and Otumba One of Lagos was there as well. PrettyMikeOfLagos was there. A whole lot of celebrities attended the birthday of the cross-dresser in Lagos, Nigeria. We don't know the source of this lady. If you know the source of Bobrisky money, please share that in the comment section. Anyway guys, I'll take you to some of the highlights from the top Lagos big boys present there.
We outside.
Give me some sound, teacher. Let's take this head down. Happy birthday. Káàbọ̀ sáàrí wa, gbogbo yẹ kó àwọn ti ìfúnpọ̀ fíìsì. Èmi máa pa àwọn máa pa, èmi máa pa.
Mexico, baby, mama. Enu, 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 enu. That's me, Makula, Bobrisky, someone, one, yeah.
They had a whole lot of people, and you could see how there was money, lavishing a whole lot of money down in that birthday party. It went well. Cubana Chief Priest is back from Dubai. A few days ago he was in Dubai for the Boss Dubai boat party, which he spent I think 2 days in Dubai, and he's back. And on his arrival the next day, Obi Cubana and his Lolo jet out of the country for London, and they are in London already on a big project which is on yet to be unveiled. Anyway, thank you for watching my video here on the channel. Fully appreciate your time here. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment in the comment section. Your thoughts, your comments are highly welcome. See you guys on my next video.